Good afternoon. It is snowing. I'm working on a SP550 high performance with easy start. Mansfield. I noticed the pull cord is going to go on me. I will show you here. See that bit there. So if I do it this way, pull that bit out, you can see where it's going to break. There. The trouble with the modern lawnmowers, they haven't designed them not that well now, because the old ones they were fine, you didn't get this trouble. But with this new stuff like this, like the new plastic recoils, they tend to wear there on that point. Another thing you get is when you've got like a loop there where you've got the start handle instead of stretching right down there, and what happens, where you keep on pouring, they fray there, then that snaps. So the main problem I always see is that problem there. On the next thing now. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye. Hello, how do you fix a recoil when the pull cord goes, and how to put it back through like this? So the way I done it was, got a bit of glue there, right? Then what you do, so that's the old bit, yeah. What you do, you dip it into here like that. Put my camera down. So what you're doing, then you dip that in here. Then what you do, you smoke a bit here. Then you stick them together like that. Oh, the fumes from that is quite powerful. Let it set first. Hold it. Leave it for about 5 minutes or more. So what I done, I joined it in together like this. Then what I done, I poured it up through the wheel, pulley. Then that's how you do it, easy. As you can see, yeah. So that's how I done it. And thank you for watching. Right, bye. Hello. I'm going to show you again how to do this. So how to put a brand new bolt in the recoil pulley. Right, how I done it. So you got a new bit of rope like this. Okay, nice clean cuts. Okay. So right on here it's gone. So what you do is cut it nice and clean like that. Okay. Get a bit of glue but it's got to be very, very, very expensive glue. Do not buy the cheap stuff because it won't work at all. It will just pour apart. So you need super glue, but very, very, very expensive. So you've got the two ends like that. So what you're doing is dip it in like that, both ends. Then what you do, you stick them together like that. Hold it until it sets hard. So when you're ready, you think it's set, then you can put it through the pulley. So what you're doing, where you got the pulley, the old rope comes out like this, then the new rope comes in like that. I will show you what I've done. How I done it. So there we are. That's how I done it. Now you know how to fix a pull rope the easy way. And thank you for watching. Bye. Hello. How do you tie a knot when you put it through the starter handle? First you need this and that. So what you're doing, you put this through, up through like that. Then what you do, how to tie a knot is one over, under, then through here. Then you got the figure 8. Then put it nice and tight. Get some pliers and put it really, really tight. Then burn the ends. I'll show you like this, like that. That's how you do it. And thank you for watching. Bye. Okay, the new pull cord is in now, and hello to you all. So that is all working. So that's been done. On to the next bit. I want to show you this bit, as I said. Got the pulley, so you pull it up through. So I'm going to prove to you now. Let's put this one down. Then there we are. Really, really tight. So when you got the, so that works. So when you got a pulley, is got the old rope, pull it through like that. Then you got the old rope. Then once you're done, you either cut it off or you can pull it off. So what you do, you cut it off like about here. Then you got your new pull rope in your pulley. Easy. One thing I do mention, don't buy the cheap glue, buy the very, very expensive glue to do this. If you buy the cheap stuff, it won't work. When you buy the expensive glue, it does work. And thank you for watching. Bye.